Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Hani bin Urwah al-Muradi was a noble 7th century leader of the Murad tribe in Kufa, and he was a loyal companion of Imam Ali alayhi salam. He is most famous for sheltering Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil, the emissary of Imam Hussein bin Ali alayhi salam. And he was martyred by the Umayyad governor Ubaydullah ibn Ziyad just before the Battle of Karbala. He commanded great social influence and could mobilize thousands of tribal warriors. He fought alongside Imam Ali alayhi salam in some of the early Islamic battles, including the battles of Siffin and the Battle of Al-Jamal or the Camel. When Imam Hussein alayhi salam sent Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil to gauge the support of the Kufans, Hazrat Hani bravely welcomed and hid Hazrat Muslim in his home. The shrine of Hani bin Urwah is a highly revered Islamic site. It has been integrated within the complex of the Great Mosque of Kufa. It sits immediately adjacent to the shrine of his companion, Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil, and the final resting place of Hazrat al-Mukhtar al-Thaqafi. The history of the shrine spans over 1300 years, transforming from a hidden, forbidden grave into a towering, gold-clad sanctuary. Hazrat Hani bin Urwah was an elite Yemeni tribal chief, a Quran reciter, and a political heavyweight in Kufa. He is historically celebrated as one of the earliest martyrs of the Karbala movement, having sacrificed his life at the advanced age of 89 to protect the family of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ibn Ziyad knew that raiding Hazrat Hani's house directly would trigger an instant bloody uprising and reprisals by the powerful Madhij tribe. Instead of using force, Ibn Ziyad, like the coward he was, sent noblemen friendly to Hazrat Hani to invite him to the palace under the guise of a casual political meeting, promising and reassuring him of his safety. Once Hazrat Hani walked into the palace, the Dar al-Imara, the doors were locked behind him. Ibn Ziyad confronted him with Ma'aqil, completely exposing the secret operation. When Hazrat Hani refused to surrender his guest, Hazrat Muslim, he was beaten and thrown into a dungeon. When news of Hazrat Hani's arrest leaked, thousands of Madhij tribal warriors surrounded the palace, ready to tear it down. Ibn Ziyad forced Sharaih al-Qadi, a highly respected judge in Kufa, to look at the beaten Hani in his cell and then to go out to the crowd. Sharaih lied to the tribe of Madhij, and he claimed Hazrat Hani wasn't hurt and simply to discuss state matters with the governor. Simultaneously, Ibn Ziyad distributed massive financial bribes and promises of positions to other high-ranking Kufan tribal chiefs. These leaders then ordered their respective clansmen to go home, completely draining Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil of manpower. Following Hani bin Urwah's public execution on the 9th of Dhul Hijj, 60 Hijri, the Umayyad governor Ubaydullah ibn Ziyad ordered his headless body to be dragged through the streets of Kufa. To deter anyone from honoring Hazrat Hani and Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil, their bodies were initially ordered to be buried near the fortified governor's palace, known as Dar al-Imara. Islamic historical accounts note that courageous local figures, including Hani's wife Urwah, went under the cover of night to properly bury the bodies near the outskirts of the municipal building to prevent further desecration. Early Shia loyalists continued to visit the unmarked site in secret due to heavily stationed Umayyad guards. Over the following centuries, as time passed, the site was repeatedly expanded, fortified, and embellished by various dynasties. This was to absorb and accommodate the growing number of Zaireen pilgrims visiting Najaf and Karbala. Today, the total courtyard containing the shrines of Hazrat Hani, Hazrat Muslim, and Hazrat Mukhtar spans 5,344 square meters. Hani's tomb is situated uniquely just north of Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil's grave.
May you all be granted the opportunity to do the ziyarat of such an important holy personality. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of A Journey to Jannat.